I was getting gas yesterday, and you I'm at the pump. I'm filling up. This guy pulls up to the pump on the opposite side of my pump, and he says hi. I say hi. He starts making small talk, and I'm polite because I don't want to die at a Circle K. And he starts hitting on me, which I'm not interested, but it's flattering. I I can accept the compliment. Um, I gently explained to him that I too prefer tacos to sausage. Now, there is a subset of guys out there who, when confronted with the notion that the taco haver they're talking to prefers other tacos to sausage, that we just haven't found the right sausage yet. Now, my question becomes, if there is a sausage out there so good that's going to make you forget about tacos and fundamentally change your sexuality and who you are as a person, why are you bothering me about it? It seems to me like you should be out searching for the lost sausage of El Dorado. You know, that that sounds good. You should have that. You should have that, and you should leave me alone about it. Anyway, I did not, in fact, get murdered at a Circle K, so that's all around a bonus.